Hello, Easy Project users. Let me introduce a new plugin for data migration. It is placed in the administration section. Here, just click on PM Integrator icon and you are redirected to a new interface. We first need to define the applications to integrate. So let's imagine that our target application is a specific project which is called Solutions. And then I would like to migrate here the spend time records from Jira. So here it's empty, and then I have a Jira instance with a project integration. And here I have a couple of tasks with reported hours. Now I would like to migrate to Easy Project. First of all, we need to define the application so we can start with Easy Project. Need to call it somehow. There is a URL, address of the instance, and the logins. Then just click on Save. Afterward, we can continue with creating the new application, which will be Jira. The same logic again. Insert connection information, credentials, and click the Save button. So once we have a second application, we can go into integrations and specify the logic. So first, select the source. In this example, we will migrate the data from Jira to Easy Project. Then click on the Confirm button, and we need to perform the mapping. In that case, we will migrate the work logs representing spent time records. So we will select this entity, and then we have to map which project to which project will be integrated. So in Jira, it was Project Integrations, and in Target Easy Project System, it was Project Solutions. So let's drag and drop. Voila! The mapping was initiated, and now here in the detail, we can basically specify the logic. If all of the tasks will be migrated to the particular project, or basically just one task to one task, or all of the work logs to one specific task. In our case, we will just take all of the work logs, put them to the project, and we can close it. Here is just a summary that the migration type is project to project. In the second step, we have to define users the system needs to pair between each other. And then we can already launch that automatic mapping. We click on it, and the system is comparing the usernames and the emails. And here you can see like two consistencies between one user's Gmail and another one in a different system. Then, if it's not enough, or if the system is not finding the specific users, you can do it even manually and map it just by drag and drop. When finished, for sure, we have plenty of other functionalities, as we can even create a specific custom field on involved systems just to enable the pairing of the data. In our case, we have something like a selection of an entity, as we have selected the projects and the work logs there, and then we have mapped the users, so we can basically start scheduling. So here I can choose the periodical timeline, or I can do it manually right now, and then run the integration here. As you can see, it's very quick, and we can go back to Easy Project and refresh the page, and here we can see we have, let's say, spent time records from Jira.